Partners. We are doing the introduction to chapter 5, and we're doing the first lesson. We're doing 5.1, which seems like a lot of work, but it's really basic addition. So just wait and watch and look at this. It's going to be really easy. All right, so the introduction to chapter 5 here, addition, has these two ladybugs on it. Most ladybugs have red, orange, or yellow wing covers and black spots. How many ladybugs do you see? Well, boys and girls, my goodness, look at those simple little numbers there. You see one ladybug and one more ladybug, which makes it 1 plus 1 is the same as 2, right? This is going to be easy. We've done so much of this in the classroom already. So here is just some basic stuff. Take a look here. How many counters? Write that number. Now down here, write a set that is 1 greater. So you're going to be just drawing, right? Here's this one. Here's this one. Now make it 1 greater and write that number. Same thing over here. Write that number. Make a set down here that is 1 greater than this set up here. I bet you guys can do that one on your own. Down here, pretty easy. Count them, write the number, count them, write the number, and then circle the number that is greater. So I'm going to put a G with a circle around it to remind you if this number is greater, circle this number. If this number is greater, circle this number. In fact, you could probably pause the video for about 5 seconds and finish that right there. All right, so down here, it says count and tell how many birds are on the ground. Do you see that? Write that right there. Then up here, count and tell how many birds are in the air. Now these two numbers together, do you remember how you would find two sets that together would make 10? And that's what we have here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the ground, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this set together, this number and this number, make 10. Next page is the game, which if you want to try to sort out with your family, you can work on playing this, but you're not required to. So now we are on to lesson 5.1, addition, add to. Oh, gracious, guys. This is not going to be very hard. What you need to notice as you're looking at these pictures is that there's something there and something coming. So right here, do you see we have 2 children already there on the swing? Go ahead and trace it. We'll get some practice writing numerals. And 1 more girl comes, and then all together 3, right? Make sure you guys are starting at those blue dots. Do not start your 1 up here and go up, because where do you start your letters and numbers? At the top. Where do you start your letters and numbers? At the top, etc., etc. All right, guys, so here you can see 3 on the picnic blanket, right? And 1 more comes, and then you can write how much is that all together. Next page, oh my goodness, look at how easy this is. How many children are right here already with the soccer ball? Write that number right here. How many children are coming to play with the soccer ball? Also, write that number right here, and then all together, how many children here? Write that number. Last page, already there. All right, guys, 2 sheep are in a pen. Here, let me show you sheep. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy sheep. Fluffy sheep head. Fluffy sheep neck. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So we need 2 of them in a pen. Here's a fluffy sheep head and neck. Fluffy sheep body. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. 2 sheep in a pen. Then they found some more sheep, so they had to put more sheep in the pen. One more sheep to go in the pen. Two more sheep to go in the pen. You can write that number there. And then down here, you put how many sheep is it all together in the pen now? My good kindergartners, I think you probably did that introduction and lesson 1 in like 5 minutes. We've done so much of this in the classroom, right? So this, you're really not doing it so that you can learn addition. The reason we're practicing this right now is more so that you're used to how books expect you to do stuff, and then when you go to take tests, how tests will expect you to do stuff. So this is really not because you need to learn that 2 plus 2 is 4. You already knew that. This is more to get you used to how books and tests are going to work in first grade because, oh my goodness, you're almost there.